Hi, this is RUDRA Surgical from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Today I am going to show you Sukhadia Uterine Manipulator, which comes with two vaginal tubes. Size is 25, 30 and 35 ml, which is used in laparoscopic and gynecology surgery. So this is how we can dismantle this product. We have to remove this pin. You can also remove this bar from here. Material is made up of stainless steel, reusable and autoclavable. You can also remove this handle from here. So this is how we have to dismantle this. For further information, you can contact us. Thank you.